Hey everyone, it's Jordan from Fish Keeping Made Easy, and today we are back at it again with the wild aquascaping. Now, if you watch our wild aquascaping videos, you'll know that I've been desperate for a waterfall as a backdrop for a while, and here at the Birks of Aberfeldy, I was spoiled for choice. Robert Burns wrote a famous poem about the Birks of Aberfeldy. Here's him and I discussing the aquascape. Basically, what the poem discussed was how amazing the landscape was, and especially the waterfalls, so it's only fitting that I did a wild aquascape here. So, the unfortunate thing about this aquascape is the only good shot I could actually get next to the waterfall was here, because there was so many people walking around, there's loads of kids and dogs, and I didn't want my camera getting damaged or anything like that. So I kind of had to balance it on this rock here, and this really just put the aquascape off from the start. I had to sort of try and balance rocks so that they would stop the tank from falling over. So I wanted to make a kind of mossy carpet, this way I could put rocks on top of it and it would be a bit of a cushion and I wouldn't crack the tank. So at this point you can see I kind of changed my mind on the scape. What I wanted to do was I wanted to kind of create the environment around me but in the tank, but I was having great difficulty with this, as you can see. Another issue was that it's November right now in Scotland, so the sun starts to set around 3:30, 4 o'clock, so I was really running out of light, so I had to do it as quickly as possible. And of course, it can't be a Fish Keeping Made Easy wild aquascape without that famous mossy stick. Now, to add to the issues I was having with this aquascape was it kept fogging up, so I kept having to wipe the tank every 5 minutes. I added some sticks here to try and make them look like trees, as right now all the trees in Scotland are bare because all the leaves have fallen off of them. Now, here is a closer look at the scape. What I was trying to create was the section in the middle was supposed to be like the sort of rocky bit that a waterfall would go down, and the mossy bits were supposed to be the trees and sort of the grass and that at the side. But I'm not sure if it kind of came out looking like that. Either way, I had fun. Like, these wild aquascapes, I go to these places without really knowing what's there, and I just kind of use what is there to create these aquascapes. I don't really go with any real plan, and that's half the fun of it. And obviously I couldn't fill this one with water, as there's completely no balance in the tank at all, and it would clearly just crack. And well, guess what happened? It cracked anyway, just because I was just being stupid. So RIP to the old tank, but I'm definitely going to get a bigger tank for next year so we can get some better aquascapes. So if you made it this far, thank you for watching, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.